Let's take a look at Cobalt's new Direct Select dock. The Direct Select dock is a fantastic new addition to Cobalt that allows us to have quick and easy access to almost all of our pre-recorded content. To maximize the Direct Select dock, hit the icon in the top right-hand side. By default, you're going to find Groups, Focus, Color, and Beam palettes allocated to the 4 locations within the Direct Select dock. This can be changed at any point by hitting the Type button above any of those sections. The objects that show up are anything that can be loaded to that particular bank. At any point now, I can select any of these options to apply them to our lights. So if I want to grab my LEDs, I can tap it, or I can flick it up to apply intensity to the group. I can then change my colors, and this is just playing back color palettes that have previously been recorded. If I want to see more of a particular section, I can add lines to it, or I can hit the 100 button set and have a full 100 displayed. Hit it again to go right back. If I've enlarged my direct selects and I'm having trouble seeing some of the lower ones, I can scroll on the side here, or I can very quickly jump from category to category to category. If I want to keep this small, but still have the ability to change pages through to have access to all 999 elements, I have page commands at the top, which take me through 1 through 20, 21 through 40, and all the way up to 100. And I have bank controls on the side, which lets me jump by 100. For instance, I can jump to page 41 through 60 over here, and come over to bank and jump between 700 and 800. This allows me to very quickly jump between where I want to be on these elements. And as you start working with larger and larger shows, you'll fill up these quite fast. If I want to record to an area here, I can make a change. So channel 1 through 4, add some intensity. And I want to record this to a group. Record, and tap the group number. I can give it a name. So this is my specials and psych. Record that, and now I have this for easy access. Any of these fields can be recorded directly to by simply hitting the Record Direct Select button at the top. At the top left-hand side of the screen, there are 5 numbers that let us switch back and forth between Direct Select sets. For instance, if I go to 3 and customize this to be color, group, all palettes, and maybe some channel selection, now I can switch back and forth between 1 and 3 and have my settings saved there for me. By incorporating these selection, the ability to change pages, resize our direct selects, we have access to almost everything on the console. Notice we also have 0%, mark, and full values at the top, the ability to home all, and clear selection. Once your groups and palettes are recorded, you can spend almost your entire time working on your show in this screen, building whatever you'd like. It's an incredibly fast and powerful way to program.